Look at these cute little birdies, the snowbirds. Come to eat at the feeder. He's cleaning his feet. Look at that. Oops, he left. Cat right there is watching. See who's coming next. Oops, somebody's back. Oop, saw the cat there, and that was it. Staying on the other side. Is it safe to eat? Cat's just watching. And they're both just watching the cat. Okay, you're not moving. What's going on here? Is it safe to eat or not? Entertainment for the cat, for sure. Just watches and wags his tail as they all come to eat. Sun just come out, so it's a good morning. You can hear all the birds outside. They come awake. You can hear the crows, of course, very easy. Another one. Oh, oh, oh. Cat thought he could get him. Come so close, didn't he? Huh, Blue Eyes? That's the cat's name, Blue Eyes. Yes. Poor little Blue Eyes. He's sitting on the old school desk that my granddaughter uses when she's in the office with me. Oh, there's another bird. Oh, took right off. Some more coming in. Sitting on the other side. Pick it up a little bit so you can see them when they fly in. Maybe see the cat better. Look at them. They'll just keep coming in, don't they? The entertainment for the cat for the day. He wants to catch them when they fly in. They peek around the corner and look at the cat. Very different way to spend the day. Instead of just moping around the house. Huh, Blue Eyes? Oh, poor Blue Eyes. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Ooh, they just keep flying and they want to come and eat, and then they see the cat. It's like, oh no. Is he moving? Playing peekaboo with him. That one's staying a little too long now. Oh, look how pretty he is. They come and go.